Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So whenever I make white chane or kale chane sabzi, I usually have some leftover chana. So every time I make chana chaat, but this time I thought of making chana kebab from them. These are really very healthy snack and you can have in your weight loss diet too. The ingredients are 2 cup chana, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies, 2 to 3 tablespoon besan, few mint leaves, few coriander leaves, salt, as per taste, garam masala, lal mirch, dhania powder and amchur. Please remember you have to take boiled chane only, it can be black or white. Now in a mixer grinder, add chana, mint leaves, coriander leaves and all other ingredients in it. These kebabs are so good and are guilt-free snacks, and it uses very less oil, so there is no need to deep fry them, as these kebabs are meant to be pan fried with few drops of oil. Now grind your ingredients in a mixer grinder and you need to add very little water to it and again grind it. So now as you can see, my kebab dough is ready. You can even add suji or breadcrumbs also instead of besan, so it's totally upon you. Whatever you want to add here, you can. Now start making kebabs. Take a portion of it, make a round ball, flatten it with the hands. So you need to be very neat in this, so you can make any shape you like. Frankly speaking, the shape of my kebabs were really large, so you can make exactly restaurant style too by just taking a small portion and make a round ball. You can make these kebabs from even black grams or the white grams too. So even you can store these kebabs in refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. So now take a non-stick pan. I have taken a grill pan. You can even take a round flat pan. So grease it with the olive oil. You just need to grease with the help of a brush, no need to add more. Now place the kebabs on the pan and you need to cook them on low to medium flame. If you do not have a non-stick pan, you can even make them on your tawa, but make sure you need to add more oil to it so that it doesn't stick on your roti tawa. So now let the kebabs cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes and then you can flip the other side and cook till it turns golden brown in color. If you really want something different recipe in your weight loss diet plan, then definitely go for this, guys. Like instead of eating every day those boring charts, you can try these kebabs from the same. So my kebabs are ready to be served. You can serve it with the green chutney and the tomato ketchup too. So for the recipe of green chutney, you can check the link given in the description box. Just have a look how these kebabs turn out to be, crispy on the top and so soft inside. So really yum these are, and do try it at home and do let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. And really a big thanks to my followers for sharing my videos and supporting me. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't subscribed yet. Till then, take care, bye.